Hello everyone, how are you? Today's my supper is udon. It is a type of thick wheat flour noodle of Japanese cuisine. Udon is often served hot as a noodle soup in its simplest form as kake udon in a mildly flavored broth called kakejiru, which is made of dashi, soy sauce, and mirin. It is usually topped with thinly chopped scallions. Other common toppings include tempra, often prawn of kakiage, a type of mixed tempra fritter, or aburaage, a type of deep-fried tofupockets seasoned with sugar, mirin, and soy sauce. A thin slice of kamaboko, a half-moon shaped fish cake, is often added. Shichimi can be added to taste. But today is a special day for us. The third day of holiday of New Year's. So I cook a special udon with special udon soup. This is mochi, rice cake, tofu, and then a pack of udon. And this is sansai. San means mountain, sai means vegetables. Sansai means mountain vegetables. I don't know how to say in English. Mountain vegetable. This is natural vegetables grown in the mountain or fields. Onion, Chinese vegetables, dashi, bonito stock juice, mirin, sake for cooking, and shichimi. Is a kind of season. The vegetables all become tender. So add boiled noodle udon. and add a piece of mochi rice cake. Oh, I forgot. Add tofu. The vegetables all become tender, so add boiled noodle udon. And add a piece of mochi rice cake. Oh, I forgot. Add tofu. It seems udon is completed. Now, time to eat. Serve it by myself. Bon appétit. いただきます。This is the what do you say? How do you say compression of udon and steamy. You add shichimi to udon dish, not dish bowl. now you are ready. We are ready for eating. Where is my chopstick? Okay, here. My chopstick. Bon appétit, いただきます。